Hello everyone, this is Geetika Chawla from USPC Jain Public School, and today we'll start question number 5 of exercise 14.3 chapter 14 symmetry of class 7. So here in question number 5, name the quadrilaters which have both line and rotational symmetry of order more than 1. It means to say here we have to find out a quadrilateral who is having both line and rotational symmetry of order more than 1. So as we have done earlier, that square is a quadrilateral that who is having both line and rotational symmetry, so and which is more than 1, whose order is more than 1. So square is a perfect example for this. Fine. Then question number 6, what is saying here? After rotating by 60 degree about a center figure look exactly the same as its original position, at what other angles will this happen for the figure? So what is saying here, after rotating after 60 degree the figure looks like the same. So what is saying here, that at what other angles will this happen for the figure? As we know that up to 360 that figure will completely rotate, and we know that on 60 degree the figure looks like the same. So what we'll do here, we will add 60 to the next angle so that we'll reach up to 360 degrees. Fine. So let's start it now. 60 plus 60 it becomes 120. Then again 120 plus 60 it becomes 180. Then 180 plus 60 it becomes 240. Then again plus 60, as after 60 degree angle the figure looks like the same. So what we'll do, we will again add 60 to 240, it becomes 300. Then again add 60 to this and it becomes 360. Fine. So in this way we can see that it will rotate 6 times so that it will reach to its original position, and these are the angles. Fine. Then question number 7, can we have a rotational symmetry of order more than 1 whose angle of rotation is 45 degree? What is saying here, can we have a rotational symmetry of order more than 1 whose angle is 45, which is given to us? So what we'll do here, in this type of sums, then when we have to check, so what we'll do here, when the angle is given, we will divide the angle, this one 360 degree, with this one angle. See here how we have done. If the angle of rotation is 45 degree, then the symmetry of order is possible and would be 8 rotations. See how, as I have divided 360 with 45, I got here 8. It means it is having 8 rotational symmetries whose order is 8. So what we can, yes we can find out. Yes, we have rotational symmetry of order more than 1 when the angle of rotation is 45 degree. With the same way we can do the other one part, we are having 17. Now we'll check that can we divide 360 with 17 or not. If it is properly divisible, that way we can say that yes, it can have order of rotation more than 1. So you can see here, as I have done, as on dividing I have got that we can't divide 360 with 17 properly. So it cannot. So it is not having symmetry of order more than 1. It is not possible here. So see how to write. If the angle of rotation is 17 degree, then the symmetry of order is not possible because 360 is not completely divisible by 17. So in this way you can simplify these sums.